Iranians are marking the birth anniversary of one of the greatest Persian poets, Abul-Qasim Ferdowsi. The renowned poet was born in 935 AD in the Iranian northeastern city of Tus. Among the national heroes and literary figures of all time, Ferdowsi has a very special place in the Iranian literature. His dedication to preserving the national identity and the heritage of his homeland won him fame and honor for one of the greatest poetic masterpieces of all time, Shahnameh, or the Book of Kings. Aside from its literary importance, the epic of Shahnameh has gained much of its significance through reflecting Iran's history and cultural values. Shahnameh is a long poem of over 60,000 couplets. That masterwork is full of literary delicacies. It is of high importance for the Iranians and can be seen in the bookshelves of almost every embedded in the poem. The story of Rostam and Sohrab is an example. It is one of the most tragic episodes of Shahnameh, which tells the story of a father and his son who face each other in a battle without knowing one another. A sad story that ends up in the father recognizing his son only after he had killed him. Many similar stories can be found in Shahnameh. Abul-Qasim Ferdowsi died at the age of 90 in his birthplace.